Hello my dear friends, welcome to another tutorial of my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful and super easy summer hat or mesh hat. I made that for adult size. That's very simple and it's worked with double crochets and chains only. And for making this crochet hat we need a category 2 yarn. I used a cotton yarn and number 3.5 millimeters hook. If you're ready, let's get started. I'm going to start the work with making a magic ring. Place the yarn on these two fingers and wrap it around them to form an X shape. And then insert the hook under the first loop, grab the second one and pull it through and make a chain and remove the finger. And now I'm going to start first round with making 16 double crochets into the magic ring. To make the first double crochet, pull up this loop as the height of a double crochet and hold that with the thumb. Wrap the yarn around the hook to have 2 loops on the hook. Don't remove your finger. Insert the hook into the magic ring, pull up a loop, and now we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Now remove the finger and then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, and this is our first double crochet or beginning chainless double crochet. And now I'm going to mark that. Okay, now for making next double crochets, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, go to the ring, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. One more time, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. And continue making double crochets into the magic ring to have 16 stitches at the end of round 1. After making 16 double crochets, pull this tail and close the hole completely. Okay, now make 1 slip stitch at top of this starting chainless double crochet. Remove the marker and make a slip stitch here, and our first round is finished. Now I'm going to secure the magic ring. So from the back side, insert the hook under one of these stitches and make a tie with the beginning tail. Okay, and then you can hide this tail through the stitches. Now start the second round with making 1 starting chainless double crochet, and mark that. Okay, after that, make a chain and skip the next double crochet of previous round. Go to the next double crochet and make a V-stitch here. For making a V-stitch, go to the stitch and make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and another double crochet into the same stitch. Then make a chain, skip the next stitch, go to the next and work 1 V-stitch here again, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and another double crochet into the same stitch, 1 chain. Again, skip the next, go to the next stitch and work 1 V-stitch here, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and another double crochet into the same stitch, and then make a chain and continue this work until the end of round 2. At the end of round 2, make another double crochet into this stitch where we made the beginning chainless double crochet here, and then make 1 single crochet at top of the beginning stitch here instead of a chain 1 space. Remove the marker, and here is our work. At the end of round 2 we have 8 V stitches. Now I'm going to start round 3 from the same space. So make 1 starting chainless double crochet into the same space under this single crochet. So pull up this loop as the height of a double crochet, hold that, wrap the yarn around the hook to have 2 loops on the hook, insert the hook under this single crochet here and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, remove the finger, and again yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, and mark that. Now make another double crochet into the same space here to have 2 double crochets. After that, make a chain and go to the next chain space, this chain space, not this space, here. So skip this double crochet, chain 1 and next double crochet, and go to the chain space between these 2 double crochets of V-stitch. Work 2 double crochets here, 1 and 2, chain 2, and another 2 double crochets into the same space, 1 and 2, and after that make 1 chain. Again, skip this chain space between these 2 V-stitches and go to the next chain space of the next V-stitch. Work 2 double crochets here, 1, 2, chain 2, another 2 double crochets into the same space, 1 and 2, and then make 1 chain. And continue making this sequence, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, and after that 1 chain into all of these chain 1 spaces of next V stitches. At the end, make another 2 double crochets into the beginning chain space here where we made these 2 beginning double crochets, and then instead of working 2 chains, make 1 chain and 1 single crochet at top of this beginning double crochet or under these 2 loops. And here is our work at the end of round 3. Start round 4 with working 1 starting chainless double crochet under this single crochet or this beginning chain 2 space. Mark that. And work another double crochet into the space, then work another double crochet into the space. We have 3 double crochets, and after that make 2 chains. Go to the chain 2 space here, not this chain 1 space, work 3 double crochets into that, 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, another 3 double crochets into the same space, and chain 2. Actually, each repeat in this round has 1 stitch more than previous round. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We had 1, 2, 1, 2. And each chain space has 1 chain more than previous round. We have 2 chains here, but we had 1 chain here. Repeat that work. Go to the chain 2 space, not this chain 1, and make 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets into that. And then chain 2, and continue until you reach the end. At the end, make another 3 double crochets into the beginning space here where we made the first 3 double crochets, and then work 1 chain and 1 single crochet into this space instead of chain 2 space. And here is our work at the end of round 4. To start round 5, Again, make a starting chainless double crochet under this chain 1 and single crochet, and mark that. Okay, then work another 2 double crochets into the same space to have 3 double crochets such as previous round, and then work 3 chains, one more than previous round. Go to the chain 2 space here, not here, and work 3 double crochets, two chains, and again 3 double crochets into the same space such as previous round, and after that make 3 chains, one more than previous round, and repeat that work. We should work 3 double crochets, 2 chains, and 3 double crochets into each chain space, these chain spaces, and after each group make 3 chains. Continue to reach the end of round 5. After working another 30 double crochets into the beginning space, make a chain and then make 1 single crochet under these 2 loops of the beginning stitch to have chain 2 space in this repeat. And now this is our work at the end of round 5. Start round 6 with making 1 chainless double crochet such as previous round here into this space, and then mark that. Then make another 3 double crochets into this space to have 4 double crochets in total, one more than previous round. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Then work 3 chains such as previous round. Go to the next space, this chain 2 space, not this chain 3 space, and work 4 double crochets here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 2, and another 4 double crochets. Then chain 3. And continue this work. We should work 4 double crochets, chain 2, and 4 double crochets into all of these chain 2 spaces, and after each group make 3 chains. Continue to reach the end of round. I made another 4 double crochets into the beginning space, and now work 1 chain and 1 single crochet under these 2 loops, and round 6 is finished. Now start round 7 with making 1 starting chainless double crochet, mark that, then work the same number of stitches, another 3 double crochets into the same space. We have 4 stitches such as previous round, and after that I'm going to increase the number of chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then go to the chain 2 space here and work 4 double crochets into that, chain 2, another 4 double crochets into the same space, then 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we should repeat this work. Make 4 double crochets, chain 2, and 4 double crochets into all of these chain 2 spaces, and after making each group, make 4 chains. Continue to reach the end. At the end of round 7, I made another 4 double crochets into the beginning space, and after that I made 1 chain and 1 single crochet into the beginning stitch, and here is our work at the end of round 7. And now the crown of my hat is finished, and I'm going to start the body. For making the body, we don't need to increase the number of stitches into each round, and we should work the same stitches of last round of the crown. So start the first round of the body with working 1 chainless starting double crochet, such as other rounds. Okay, and then work another 3 double crochets into the same space. And after that, work 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4 to reach this chain to space, and into this space make 1 group of 4 double crochets, chain 2, and 4 double crochets. And after that, make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And repeat the sequence. Into each chain to space, work 1 group of 4 double crochets, chain 2, and 4 double crochets, and after that, 4 chains. I made another 4 double crochets into the beginning space, and 1 chain and 1 single crochet at top of the first stitch, and here is our work at the end of round 8. And then we repeat this round, round 8. We should work the same pattern of the round 8 for the body of the hat, and repeat this round more and more to reach desired height from the beginning. Okay, I repeated round 8 5 more times, and now I'm at the end of round 13, and the height of my hat is enough. That's between 7 and 7.5 inches, or between 18 and 19 centimeters. That's enough for me, and I'm going to fasten off after making the last group of 4 double crochets into this beginning chain space. Make 2 chains, not chain 1 and single crochet. Then make 1 slip stitch at top of this beginning or this chainless double crochet under 2 loops of that. Okay, and then cut the yarn, pull that, and hide the tail through the stitches. And now our beautiful summer hat is finished. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Have a nice day.